I am out here in Seaside, Thousand Trails Park. Look at all the clouds up there. It's gonna rain again today. But right now, what I've got going on is this mattress. So I had some water condensation under the mattress. This is the underside of my mattress. There was some condensation that I saw today as I was looking to clean, do some cleaning. And after a little bit of research, turns out your entire RV from the inside could be completely dry, bone dry, but you're going to get condensation on the underside of your mattress if the weather's cold out. So the way to clean it is rubbing alcohol, which I think is the same thing as isopropyl alcohol, because that's the only thing I could find, and warm water, equal parts, not the Red Bull. You can avoid that part. Just use the rubbing alcohol and equal parts warm water. Do not use your actual cooking container, because you're going to be rubbing the cloth on the mold and you're basically going to trash everything afterwards. So I'm going to use this Rubbermaid container that I'm just going to put some warm water in here. I guess I could put it up here, and then I'm going to scrub all of that. I'm lucky I caught it at a good time. I mean, this part is obviously not good, but that part is still okay. So luckily I was doing cleaning at the right time and I caught it. So here we go. Equal parts rubbing alcohol and warm water, and then we'll get this thing going.